only me! How's it going, brewheads? Welcome back to the party. The sun's out, I've got the hay fever to prove it, also a little bit hungover, but that's another story. Today, I'm playing around with mangoes, and don't worry, that's not a euphemism. I'm a big fan of a beer called Disco Forklift Truck by Drygate Brewing Company up there in Scotland. It's just an easy drinking summer mango pale ale. Really, really good this time of year. Mango pale ales are obviously a crowd pleaser because there's a lot of discussion about them on the various Facebook home brewing pages and also YouTube as well. There's also some really good videos, including the one by David Heath, which is worth checking out. But I wanted to explore this tasty adjunct for myself and experiment with suitable hops and ways to add the mango taste and aroma, both with fresh mangoes, dried mangoes, and also some mango juice. This stuff's so good. A few weeks ago, I did mess around with an IPA recipe and I added some dried mango, but that was a failure because it basically didn't impart any taste or aroma at all. It just added a little bit of sweetness and a slightly smoother mouthfeel. So what I've done for this video, I've bought some of these nice 1.4 litre fermentation jars, which I'm very excited about. I've also got some of these little hop baskets to use inside them. And that's about it. Should be interesting. So get those mangoes ready and let's get after it.
Hit it!
As you've probably seen in our other vids, I love a good stovetop brew. I'm not going to cover the brewing process because you can see that in several other videos of ours. I'm rolling with 95% pale and 5% Caramalt to give it a fairly standard pale ale base. Specifics about the mash can be seen in the description. Disco Forklift Truck uses Cascade, Azacca and Ekuanot. Azacca and Ekuanot are well known for their tropical mango-y, passion fruity and papaya qualities. And the use of Cascade is no accident, and this is where it gets interesting. Oxford academic published a journal in May 2019 called The Molecular Biology of Fruity Aromas in Beer. Check it! In the journal, it says that the hydrocarbon myrcene is a very important compound in the aroma of mango. At harvest time, myrcene levels are typically 50% or more, but with Cascade, they can exceed 70%. However, our friend myrcene is very volatile, he gets a bit punchy, so prolonged boiling causes virtually all of it to escape. I'm therefore going to add it late and dry hop generously with it too. You can see the hop schedule in the description below. At this point, I have 4 litres in one demijohn to ferment, plus 1 litre in this demijohn, to which I'm about to add 100 ml of mango juice. I couldn't find any decent 100% mango juice, so this is a slightly questionable juice by Rubicon. Then I pitch the yeasty boys, give it the old shake in Stevens, and it's off to ferment for a couple of weeks. Check out the difference in appearance. The batch with juice is clear as a footballer's wife's engagement ring, whereas the other is in murky Nipah territory. After a week, it's time to transfer to my fermentation jars and add the dry hops. Here I'm sanitizing them, along with the hop filters which I've boiled in water for 5 minutes. All 5 batches are being dry hopped, predominantly with Cascade to coax out the myrcene. Top left is the jar with the juice. Right is the unaltered beer with just regular dry hops. And now I'm filling the batch to be double dry hopped with my trusty siphon. Then it's 50 grams of dried mango with 1 litre in the next jar. The dried mango I'm using has no added sugar or any other nasties to give our weird off flavours. Then finally 50 grams of fresh mango puree. Okay, I'll let these guys infuse for a week and the double dry hop batch will get its second lot of dry hops in 3 to 4 days. 1 week later and it's job done. Into bottles, primed with a little honey and left to condition for 2 to 3 weeks. Welcome back to the action team. This is the bit we've all been waiting for. This is the taste test. So how this is going to go down, we've got our 5 mango pale ales here. We're going to blind taste test, so we don't go in with any preconceived ideas of what we think will work and won't work.
You're not blindfolding me again.
No, not blindfolding you, not since last night. Anyway, so yeah, we've got our 5 beers here. We don't know what they are, what order they, and yeah, like I said, just see if they can reveal their secrets. Should we get straight in?
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Nervous?
Yeah, I am.
I ask that every time, don't I? Good fizz.
A little bit of fizz. Primed with honey, as you know. Looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks good. Happy with that?
Yeah, it does look very good. Yeah, yeah, perfect.
Excellent. So what we're after here is we're really judging it on aroma and taste, and just trying to get that mango quality.
Great looking beer.
Yeah, yeah.
Great looking, great colour. Really nice fizz in there.
Yeah. Does look good.
Great head.
Yeah.
Looks really, really good. Genuinely impressed.
Does it smell too mango-y?
No?
This one? What do you think? Cheers.
Quick. No, I'm not really getting any mango. You tried some?
Yeah.
No.
I think I got a vague inkling of what that one is.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think? I think that's the double dry hopped.
Oh. Okay.
What do you think?
I was getting some sweetness. I was kind of thinking...
Really?
Yeah, but then obviously the sugar's going to ferment.
This isn't a contest. It's just a. I don't get much mango aroma.
You're going to have El
a little bit of
Rositas.
taste.
You're going to have El Rositas laughing at me again.
He doesn't laugh at me. It's a little bit of mango taste.
Hmm. Are we... Oh, yeah. It's really nice, though.
It's a nice beer.
Really good.
Really nice beer.
Yeah,
I'm happy with that.
Again, incredible that you brewed that on your stove, which
Yeah,
really
oh yeah, baby.
kind of does upset me when I think about how long it takes me to brew it. That
Upsets any man, I reckon. Actually, I did have a bit of aroma of mango just then.
Mm.
If it is the double dry hop one, then it's opposite.
It's quite a subtle aroma, though, isn't it? Mango
It
is
is.
really hard to smell.
I think it is. That's what my money's on anyway. If it's one that's got the fruit in it or the juice, then I'll be pretty shocked. I reckon that's those hops bringing out those quality of those hops.
It's really dry though.
Yeah.
And when I've brewed with fruit before, the fruitiness tends to, because it ferments out and it tends to dry it out even more.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I found a few times. Unless you add lactose or any other non-fermentable sugar.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, what do you reckon on that one? I'm going to say double dry hop.
I'm going to go juice.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
For now, but
Juice.
this could all change quite easily. Yeah. Right, next one. Bring it
Right,
on.
so we're going to go in for the next beer.
Bring it on, big boy.
More fizz. I like that. I'm always a great sense of satisfaction passes over me like a wave when some fizz comes out, and I'm just convinced they're going to be flat sometimes, and that the priming hasn't worked. There we go.
Ooh, different colour. It's a bit cloudier.
Yeah.
I think this one.
Yeah.
A little bit cloudy. I mean, it's not massively cloudy, but it is cloudier. I think.
Cool. Yeah, it's kind of similar for me.
Different aroma.
Yeah, it is.
Ooh,
Less mango-y, even less sort of fruity, I would say, than the last one.
I've gone straight in. Okay. Well, this is clearly.
That's great.
Yeah, it's brilliant. It's really good.
That is good mango taste.
That's either the juice or the.
Wow. I like that. Do you like that?
There's dried mango as well, isn't there? Yeah.
That is tasty.
That is really good.
That really is good.
Really good.
Not a huge amount of aroma, but taste mango.
That is a brilliant mango beer. Whatever the one that is, that's the one Brew Bros need to put out there.
Yeah, that is
that's really good.
I'd be delighted if I drank that in a boozer, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's lovely. Really good rounded flavour. It's got the bitterness from the hops, but it's got that sweetness as well.
Yeah. I'm really impressed with that.
Yeah.
I reckon that's up there with old Drygate. We'll crack him open at the end as well, because, like I said,
you love that beer. You
I
always
do.
love that beer.
It's a great summer beer.
I think it's pretty good. But
Pretty
good.
good.
But you absolutely love it, don't you? Which
I'd
is why
say
you
it's a
bring
great
this.
summer, easy drinking beer.
Before you interrupted, I was going to say I prefer that to that. I think that's really good.
I will take that. Yeah, to be honest, I love that. I mean, I'm really happy with that. And I'm going to need to do a bigger batch of that. I'm going to need to do a 20 litre batch of that.
Yeah. Right.
You're not texting a friend, are you?
No, I'm writing down my thoughts.
You're not texting Big Phil again, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I think that's delicious.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm going to put a star next to it as my favourite.
Groin-grabbingly good.
Yeah, it is. That's going to be on the can when we go commercial with that one. Right, next.
Yep.
So how angry are you on a scale of 1 to 10 about some of the beers I'm putting out at the moment?
So. Take it or leave it.
Yeah, right. Nice fizz.
I'm proud of you. You're my big brother and I love you.
Thank you. Happy with the fizz again?
Some serious head on that, or did you just pour it rather aggressively?
I poured it aggressively. To be honest, I'm so pleased about how that last one went down.
Just want to celebrate.
No, this is more carb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's go in. This is a great experiment.
Yeah, really good.
Not giving much away.
It looks to me that looks more like the first one than the second one.
Yeah, a bit darker.
Yeah, very dark.
Very dark.
Need a palate cleanser, actually, don't we?
Okay, so my money on that is the regular hopped, no mango
Okay.
for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, it's a nice
lovely
beer.
beer.
Yeah, it is nice.
Really good.
I'm not getting. I mean, particularly after the last one, because it was so mango-y taste-wise. I'm not getting a huge amount of mango from this.
Yeah.
So.
No, I'm not either. Really. It is just like a nice kind of pale ale, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm going straight in with another. It's gone straight to my head. Nice fizz. This is a great experiment. This is such a good idea.
Whoa, get me thirsty.
Family joke. There we go. Cheers, old chap.
That is seriously murky.
It is.
Look at that.
I wonder why. Oh, I tell you what I reckon this could be. I reckon this could be the dried.
That is exceptionally murky.
It is. Bit more mango aroma.
Yeah.
Again, not a huge amount.
Are they high murk producing hops? Possibly.
Ooh. Interesting. That one's interesting.
Yeah?
Yeah. So that's definitely got mango,
Yeah.
That's one of pure, I reckon, because I don't massively, it's not as nice as the mango one we had number 2. I would say that's the juice. I reckon that's the juice.
That's nice. I do like it.
It's not as good as the second one for me. That second one slightly blew me away.
Yeah, but it would have to have been bloody good to have outdone that one, wouldn't it? I like how different they all are as well. They're all really different. They're all completely different beers.
They are. I'm disappointed we're not getting more aroma from any of these. I've only got one more left. One more horse in the stable. We succeeded with mango taste out of 2, and the first one was slightly mango-y, kind of tropical, but
yeah,
it's just that aroma.
It's quite sweet as well. Again, it's quite sweet, isn't it?
Maybe it could be the dried. This is getting difficult now. It's getting difficult. The last horse in the stable. I think once we've declared a winner, we'll have to sort of hone in on it with another episode that goes into other ideas like freezing and quantities and so on, just so we can find the definitive mango pale ale. Oh, it's another fizzy one.
Whoa, yeah, that's lively, isn't it?
It is.
And just again, really murky.
Yeah, it is. There's definite mango aroma there, so we do have some aroma.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's as murky as the last one, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, can you get that?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Mango aroma?
Yeah. Oh,
finally, we have a winner on the aroma stake. Weird. That's all aroma and not too much mango taste.
Yeah, that's what I thought. A lot of carbonation. There is quite a bit of carbonation there.
There is.
Oh, difficult. Difficult.
It is difficult. It's clearly another one that's had mango added.
Yeah.
The gravity readings were pretty much the same for all of them.
Okay.
I had them here, in fact. The pureed one was slightly less, just a fraction. The double dried hop one, sorry, the dried mango one was very slightly over the rest of them.
What, higher? Higher final gravity?
They were all 10-11.
Yep.
They were all 10-11. The puree was slightly less at 10-9. 10-9, 10-10. And then the dried was, 10-12.
That makes sense, though, to me.
Yeah.
Because the dried, there's more surface area. Sorry, there's less surface area on the dried mango, isn't there? So there's less sugar that's going to ferment away.
Right.
Whereas the pureed mango, obviously, it's completely pureed, so there's huge surface area, isn't there?
Yeah.
So that's why I guess it's that's my thought and why it's finished a bit lower.
I tell you what will be disappointing for me is if the one that we really liked. I mean, for me, the one I really enjoyed was the second one.
Yeah, same here.
I think that second one was delicious. I really don't want that to be the juiced one because the juice I used, the Rubicon, is kind of filth.
Rubicon.
You know the stuff. But it's very difficult to get a straight mango juice.
Yeah.
Maybe with hindsight should have gone fresh, but anyway, it's all good. Okay, it's got number 3 on it.
Ooh, what does that mean?
Number 3 is double dry hopped.
Hey! I did go back. I tried number 3 again because I reckon number 3 is the single, and it just didn't seem quite as kind of powerful.
This is the second one. That has a number 1, which is don't be the juice.
I put down puree.
Oh no! It is the juice.
You're kidding me.
It is the juice.
Wow. 100 ml of juice.
100 ml of juice in a litre, yeah.
Not a lot either.
In a litre?
Oh, in a litre. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. No, I was kind of thinking you were doing like.
But it was that Rubicon filth.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I'm shattered by that. Well, not shattered. It's just interesting that the juice.
Like Rubicon filth.
Yeah. Shout out to Rubicon. Love your work. It's very similar, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's that 95 to 5% split of pale to Caramalt is obviously what they've done here.
They're Scottish, aren't they? Drygate?
Mm-hmm. You know what? I prefer mine. I prefer the taste of mine.
I said. Yeah. That's what I said earlier on.
So what we're going to do next, we're going to there's going to be a follow-up on this in a few months' time where we're going to I'll do a rebrew, and what I'd like to do is to do a few batches of juice, different juice. I'll try natural, I'll try Rubicon again, and then do various experiments with that. But I might do some more puree, but ramp up the amount of puree that's in there, and to see how that compares.
Different juices for different needs.
What do you think? I mean, it's got mango aroma, hasn't it?
Yeah, there's a lot more aroma in that than yours. But that's not, for me, that's kind of, I'm not bothered by appearance.
Mm-hmm.
Then I do prefer yours.
Yeah.
I really do.
I will take that.
It's got a lot more body. That's, for me, it's kind of like I don't know, it's just not got, you love this beer, I know you do. You've been going on.
I actually now prefer mine, so I'm going to replicate the juiced one, and then we're going to re-crank it up a notch on the next episode of our mango experiment.
That is nice, but yours is better. So.
I'll take that. And on that bombshell, to quote Jeremy Clarkson, we'll end the show. So thanks for watching. Look out for the next episode, and we'll see you on another video soon.